Hello there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So former soccer player Siyabonga Zulu's family have reached out to Gogo MAWENI so that she can forgive their brother and son after Gogo MAWENI publicly admitted that she is the one who bewitched him. Ever since then, the soccer player's life has been stagnant. Now, in a new TV show called Sitting with Stan, the family pleaded with Gogo MAWENI to forgive Siyabonga because his life is stagnant, you guys. They pleaded with her to reverse the curse or the spell that she has casted upon their brother, Siyabonga Zulu. I think Siyabonga was also there pleading with Gogo MAWENI, if I'm not mistaken, to forgive him for whatever he did to her. In a clip of the new show, which will be premiered on the 9th of January 2023 on DSTV Supersport, Gogo MAWENI is heard admitting that she indeed bewitched him and that she will never forgive him. She said that she would rather have champagne with the devil himself than forgive Siyabonga, you guys. So without wasting your time, please check out this clip. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I'll see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I bewitched Siyabonga. Ngiyaguqa mina ngiyedolo ngiyawusebenzisa umuthi. Angizoyekela umuntu adlale ngayo.
Umuntu akakholelwa.
Anyeke. Never. I would rather drink champagne with the devil himself before I forgive him.